morning. Thank you for calling, Letoy. This is Kian. How may I assist you?
Hi, I would like to make a reservation tomorrow at 7 p.m.
Certainly. Can I have your name and contact number, please?
Yes, my name is Don Marty Reyes and my contact number is 123-456-789.
Thank you, Mr. Reyes. We look forward to serving you tomorrow.
Good evening, sir. May I have your name?
Yes, Reyes. I have a reservation at 7 p.m.
Come. I will be with you shortly.
Good evening, sir. I'm Edson. I bring you silver tonight. May I offer you steel and sparkling water to start? Still, please. Of course, our sommelier will assist you.
Have you decided in your soup, appetizer and main course?
Yes, I have lobster biscuit, surd scallops, and beef tenderloin, medium rare. Good evening. May I recommend you to pair with your beef tenderloin? Yes, please. Excellent choice.
Go.
Order received, starting with the soup.
Go.
Beef tenderloin up.
Go.
Beef tenderloin up.
Your beef tenderloin, sir. Cook as medium rare as you requested, sir. Enjoy your meal. Your lobster biscuit and your seared scallop, sir. Please enjoy.
2, 3, go. Here is your check, sir. Thank you for dining with us. Thank you. It was wonderful.
Go. We hope to see you again soon. Have a wonderful evening, sir.
Tama na.